This demonstration shows how the ARP control protects your Dometic or Norcold fridge. The ARP temperature sensor will monitor the pan temperature. We start this video by applying heat to the 12-inch skillet, which has 1 cup of water in it. This 10-minute video is run at high speed to emphasize the fact that boiling of water is what regulates the temperature within the cooking pan. One may observe that once the water starts boiling, the temperature read on the ARP control display remains at 206 degrees. This demonstration can be repeated by you on your stovetop in your RV. Have you ever destroyed a cooking pan by overheating? The pan is destroyed because there is no more water in the pan to regulate the temperature of the pan. The cooking of the food in the pan is due to the water in the food boiling. If all of the water in the food turns to steam, there is nothing to regulate the temperature of the pan anymore. The result is that your food burns and your pan is destroyed by excess heat. Note that when all the water has turned to steam, the pan temperature rapidly increases. How does a cooking pan on your stovetop relate to your fridge? Your fridge simply boils a fluid within the cooling unit. By the exact same principles that a cooking pan is destroyed, your Dometic or Norcold cooling unit can be destroyed by the fluids not being able to return to the boiler. This is why an ARP control is necessary to keep your fridge running safe and trouble-free.